everyone. I think I need to go back to a darker shade of foundation because I guess I tanned already and summer hasn't even started. Today is a pretty hectic day. I am dog sitting my aunt's 2 Shih Tzus and they're like senior dogs, super cute. So I've just been chilling with them all day, but let me show you. They're basically like coexisting. Gino's right here. She's just chilling. She has a bully stick right now. And then this is Yaki and this is Soba. These are my aunt's dogs. They're so cute. They like being in this playpen. So they've just been chilling in here. I have some mood music going. That is basically it. You know, day 1 hair never curls well, but for some reason, this looks so good. And here I am, just stuck at home. I have absolutely no plans today, so yeah, we're just gonna chill and hang out with the 3 dogs. Okay, it is time to feed the doggos. A little bit of wet food. Yes, 1 second. Soba. Currently trying to walk all the dogs. I have their little carrier in case they're tired. So Juno is somewhere behind me trying to manage. Guys, I think I got it. I have them all on my waist and Juno's right here. We're walking. We're walking. This is such a successful walk, doggos. Good boys. Good girl, Juno. Good girl. We're doing good. Look at all of us. Good job. The senior dogs got tired, so they are in the stroller now. Just Juno and I exercising. Hello. The next day of being a doggo mom of 3. Currently just taking them out for a walk. I have to go get groceries in a bit here. So just want to make sure that they're all good for the toilet before I head out. Everyone's doing good. Hello, hello. It is Friday and I just walked the 3 doggos. As I mentioned yesterday, I am a dog mom of 3 for the weekend, or I guess like extended weekend. Yeah, I just took them out because I have to run some errands now and go for dinner. So I want to make sure that they're good for that. So yeah, I will take you along. I don't know how much vlogging I'm going to do, but we will see. Growing up, my great-grandma used to make amazing dumplings for our entire family, and I've been missing her a lot, and so this was such a beautiful thing to do to commemorate her, commemorate the culture, and even made Juno a little dumpling as well, and she absolutely loved it. Hello everyone. I just picked up some flowers. It is Mother's Day and also taking my parents out to eat. Got her colorful roses. Let's go. Really nice out. We have, we have all the doggos for a afternoon walk before I head out. Yaki Soba. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Hey guys, I have some time, so I figured I would do a little heart-to-heart with you guys because it's been a while since I kind of talked. You know, I feel like most times when I'm on my channel, I'm very positive and I try to be very uplifting and strong, and that is 100% true, and I feel like that is me most of the time, but I do crumble a little bit, and I think the last little bit I've been crumbling. You don't realize how much you've been through mentally until, oh, I just did my makeup too. Like, you don't realize how much you've gone through and thought was the norm, and you realize that sometimes when good things happen, you automatically get scared because you think that it's just going to end. So I'm definitely going through that, where I'm trying to really embrace the good that's happening in my life. And sometimes when things are really good, that's when I get scared and feel like, not that I feel like I'm not deserving of it, but there's a part in my brain that's just like, this is like too good to be true and you should brace yourself, basically. Anyways, my anxiety has gone through the roof. Tough trying to rewire your brain, and I like hate myself sometimes for not being able to just like embrace what's coming and the good that's coming. Done a lot of self-work to get past certain things, but you know, there's just certain triggers and certain situations that really are eye-opening to me. Like, these are things I can't work on just by myself, and it's going to take time and patience to get through it. But it's just so crappy when you can't even enjoy the best of the best sometimes in life.
Yeah, I don't know. Like, a lot of things I do.
Which dog one should we do? We'll save this one for Christmas.
Yeah.
Here it is. Okay, good job.
Not really meal prepping lately because just been so busy. We have Costco meat, so I am going to portion everything out. Originally, I was just gonna make lunch, but I had about 40-minute break today. So I like to have extra rice just in case I wanna like have a quick meal. I have one veggie rice ready for, I don't know, whatever. If I'm feeling bored of my meal prep, I can swap it for a different meat. I have my classic fried udon, which I love to eat. Udon is definitely my favorite. And then I have Chinese chicken wings with veggies and rice. Yeah, so this is my 45-minute meal prep, and also managed to clean while I was at it. So I'm quite happy about that.